My aim is to replace multi-step routines with single-step, evidence-based skincare. To get started, you need to truly understand your skin type. I've devised an online test using the same structure I would use in clinic and one that is based on decades of research. This test analyses your skin's collagen, melanin, that's the pigment, sebum, that's the oil, and your skin barrier. And at the end of it, you'll know your skin size. This is what I think of as your true skin type. Your skin size forms the basis of your bespoke treatment plan, and that's centered around two very intelligent formulas. At night time, it's the Klira Special, the only skincare treatment that's completely designed around your skin's needs and has both prescription actives and skin supporting ingredients. For daytime, it's the Dayscript, a 7-in-1 formulation to protect, hydrate and strengthen skin. It targets 7 different functions of the skin, combining what is commonly applied in a layering routine of toners, serums, moisturizers, sunscreens and primers. It's just all in one. These are 2 very intelligent formulas made for 24-hour skin health.